What's going on, guys? This is Lior and welcome back to the channel. Now, I am super excited to make this video. This is gonna be the final walkthrough for my project right here in Roxbury. This is 4 units. You probably remember I did the video when we first started. It's been just about a year since we bought the building, almost $600,000 later, but the project is complete. Most of the units are already leased out. So I'm excited to give you guys a tour of what the final product looks like. I'll talk to you guys about the construction process, where we at with all the tenants, where we are with our cash out refinance, and give you guys all of the details. So let's get right at it. So welcome to inside the units here, the Clifford Street apartments. As I said, these were completely gut renovated. We took these down to the studs. So everything is essentially brand new in these units. So this is one of the top floor units. It's a 2-level, 4-bed, 2-bath unit. It's a gigantic unit, one of my favorites. You can see we're in the kitchen right now. Everything's of course brand new. These are kind of our staple finishes that we do, the white cabinets, black granite countertops, the stainless steel appliances. They come out really nice every time. Nice little open concept living space. Again, even though these are rentals, we do want to provide really nice space for our tenants. So this came out really nice as well. As I said, this is a 2-bath unit. So I actually really like the tile we chose here in our bathroom. So we got some really nice floor tile with an updated vanity, of course, a bathtub for the kids, which is fantastic. And then this is gonna be one of the example bedrooms, all of them being really good size. So now let's actually go upstairs. I'll show you guys one of the biggest bedrooms we've built to date. It's huge. It's really a great bedroom for the parents, kind of the master here. So let's go check that out. So upstairs, we've got bedroom number 3 right here, but this is bedroom number 4. Again, the biggest bedroom. It's just quite a large bedroom. Really great space. We kind of, when we first designed it, I really liked the layout of it. So, you know, some tenants have really liked this kind of layout, especially the bedroom size, which has made leasing out these units actually quite easy, which I'll talk about in just a second. So I'll give you guys some details about the construction process. As I said, we bought this building just about a year ago now. We knew it was gonna be a longer construction period because the building was in really tough shape when we bought it. It ended up taking us just about 9, 10 months. We had a couple of delays. We need to get engineers in here. You know, like I said, the building was really quite in bad shape. So construction certainly took quite a bit. We were just about on our mark in terms of our construction budget. We had first anticipated to spend about $550,000 to gut all 4 units and do the whole building. I just totaled out our numbers and we basically are just about $600,000. So honestly, not too bad, also considering all the materials price surging that we've experienced over the last year. I'd say we actually did pretty good. So once we wrapped up construction, we got the leasing process going right away. We have already people living in the units as we speak. We actually have all units leased out, which is fantastic. So having all units leased out, what it's allowed us to do is start the cash out refinance process, because the way we financed this deal, and if you guys remember the first video I did, we actually used a hard money loan to finance the acquisition and construction, right? So the hard money lender gave us 75% of the loan required for the purchase price, and then 100% of the construction price. So right now we're working with a local bank to do the cash out refinance, right? We had an amazing appraised value on the back end, way higher than I projected. So you know, the value is certainly there. Our rents came out very strong. It's exactly where we projected them. So all the financials are there for the cash out. So basically the bank is working on finalizing the loan. And once they do, we'll get that loan, pay off the hard money lender, and also pay off all of our private money lenders, right? Because we use, in combination with hard money, private money, right? Basically people in our network, and we're able to pay everyone off. And then we'll have this awesome 4-unit building as a rental property that's a cash flowing asset sitting, you know, in our name. So as the final reveal, I thought I would share some of our high level numbers with you guys so you get a sense of what this project looked like financially. So we bought the building originally for $800,000 about a year ago. As I said, our hard construction cost totaled to be about $600,000. So now we're all in at $1.4 million. We probably have just about $200,000 in soft cost, and soft cost is basically the cost on the loans from the hard money lender that we incurred. We also had costs from like architects. We had costs on extra engineering that we had to do. So we basically incurred quite a bit of soft costs throughout the project, which totaled out to be about 200. So all in, we essentially came in at about $1.6 million on this 4-unit building. But when we got it appraised, the building came out at an appraised value of $2.04 million, right? So we basically have created $450,000 of equity by doing this construction project and renovation project. The cool thing is, not only do we create equity, but once we do the close out the cash out refinance, obviously our mortgage is gonna become a lot lower, right? Because hard money lenders, interest rates are very, very high. Whereas when we get the new loan from the community bank, it's gonna be much, much lower, around 4% or so. We're actually gonna be generating pretty good cash flow here, somewhere between $1,300 to $1,500 for the building per month. And this is, you know, net, right? So net of all operating expenses. And if you guys have seen my videos, you know I'm very conservative on my operating expenses. We include management fees, maintenance fees, vacancies, snow, landscaping, everything, pest contracts. So we include quite a bit in that. So we are still taking about $1,300 to $1,500 home per month on the building, which in Boston is actually very, very solid yield, especially for essentially brand new construction, brand new renovation. You know, this is gonna be maintenance free and it's just gonna be a nice cash flow and asset for us to sit on. So that's our overview of our project here on Clifford Street in Roxbury. Hopefully that made sense, guys. Hopefully you guys now understood, you know, our game plan, the construction budget, as well as our back-end financials. So hopefully that gave you guys a good overview. Of course, if you have any questions about anything we did, the numbers, strategy, construction, anything like that, make sure you put them in the comments below and I will definitely help you